Welcome to Palette. In this tutorial will I show you how to create a wave text effect in Photoshop. Please like and subscribe before we start. Select your text tool and type what you want. Use then shortcut V for Move tool. Hold Options key on your keyboard and drag the text down. Select all text layers and align it. Create a smart object from your text layers. Use Command T for free transformation. And click this icon for warp modes. And select Wave. We are done with our wave effect. But we can still change the text if we want, because we have made a smart object of it. Thanks for watching, and see you on next tutorial.